friends, today we are working on measuring length. So length is the measure of how long, wide, or tall something is. An inch, abbreviated in IN period, is a unit length of in the customary system. You can use a ruler to measure the length of small objects. This inch ruler has 8 equal spaces between the numbered marks for each inch. There are 4 equal spaces between the marks for every half inch, and there are 2 equal spaces between the marks for every quarter inch. So if you take a look, these are the main lengths that we're going to be working on this week. So we're going to be in 3rd grade looking at the quarter inch, okay, the half inch, which is halfway between 0 and 1, and then the 3/4 of an inch, okay? So if you see these other notches, that would be like 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8, which would get us to 1. Okay, so just double checking, remembering also that 1/4 equals 2/4, which would be right here, right? 2/4 would be right there, but it's actually, we're going to call that 1/2. We're going to take that down a little bit more to break that down to 1/2. So those are the 4 main ones we're going to be working on. Besides the whole inch, we're going to be also looking at the quarter of the inch, half inch, and the 3/4 of an inch. Okay, example 1 tells us to the nearest half inch, what is the length of this crayon? So what we have to do is we have to line up our crayon to that end of that ruler. See how great they did that? And then we're going to see how far it comes, okay? And so I know that this is 3 1/4, 3 1/2, and 3 3/4 of an inch. And so looking at that, we're looking for the measuring to the nearest half inch. So this would be 3 1/2 inches. And I can abbreviate it like that. And I know I'm using inches because I'm looking at the inches part of my ruler. All right, to the nearest quarter inch, let's practice that. What is the length of the marker? So I'm going to circle that number quarter to make sure that I remember I'm circling to the nearest quarter inch now. Okay, and so I line up my marker to the tip to the 0, and I take a look over here to see where that has matched up, okay? And I can see that this marker is 4 3/4 inches long, okay? So remember up here I have 1/4, 2/4, which equals 1/2, and then 3/4, okay? So if we're breaking it down into quarter inches, that's what that would look like. All right, friends, go ahead and practice this a little bit more in Schoology, and we'll continue practicing it the rest of the week. Great job today, friends.